Hi, hello, hello. My dear cutie pies and naughty girls, welcome to my channel Dungeon Tutorials. Yeah, it is there, right? Yes, of course. Last class we have discussed about pronoun. A simple recall. Pronoun is a word that replaces noun. That's all. Okay. So in this class, in this video session, we are going to learn about a verb. What is that? Verb. Yes, of course. Because a simple thing about the verb, verb indicates action. So what is that? Verb indicates action. Everything is action, right? Yes, of course, everything is action, but please don't lead to actions. First thing, Vishal actions that film. Second thing, Vic's action because I don't like. Yes, of course. Okay, so except that everything is action. For example, what we do in morning. So what we do? Okay, what we do in morning, we used to brush our teeth, right? Yes, of course. I used to brush teeth daily because I'm a teacher. If I didn't brush regularly, I couldn't stand in front of students because they used to close their nose like this, right? Okay, so for that thing, I brush daily. So after brushing, we used to take bath, right? A bath. Yes, of course. I don't have perfume, so I used to bath daily. After bathing, what we do? We take a towel or else lungi or whatever it is. We used to take it and we used to wipe ourselves, right? തുണ്ടെടുത്ത് തുടപ്പം இல்லையா so that is called wiping. So everything is action. So verb indicates action. So verb means action. வெர்புனாலே ஆக்ஷன் தான். என்னென்ன இதெல்லாம் செய்வோம். We used to brush is action, eat is action, push, pull, everything is action. Lick is action. Then talk. So everything is action. Okay. Yes. The main thing why we want to learn a verb is simple. For example, I'm going to do one action. Hutch. So don't worry, I don't have corona. I just do. That's all. Okay. So, hutch. So what is this? In Tamil, we used to say tummal, right? Yes, of course. If you want to say these things in English, we need to know what is the English word for tummal, right? The English word is sneeze. What is that? Sneeze. So if you know the word, we can easily say, ma'am, she is sneezing now, or else, ma'am, he has sneezed. Likewise, we can speak English, right? Simple. Okay, then I'm going to do one thing. Okay, what is this? Normally, if there is a social period or a Tamil period or else max period, we used to do like this, right? Oh, ma'am, முடியலையே. Likewise, we used to do, right? So in Tamil, we used to say kotavi. In English, we used to say yarn. YAWN, yarn. Ma'am, she is yarning. Ma'am, he is yarning. Likewise, we can say, right? The thing is, known already in தமிழில் எல்லா ஆக்ஷனோடு நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா. ஸோ அது அப்படி தும்மருக்கு என்ன இங்கிலீஷில் ஸ்னீசிங், இருமருக்கு என்ன இங்கிலீஷில் காஃபிங், கிள்றதுக்கு என்ன இங்கிலீஷில் பிஞ்சிங், குத்தருக்கு என்ன, தள்ளுறதுக்கு என்ன இங்கிலீஷில் புஷ்ஷிங். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன சின்ன ஒரு பேசிக் வேர்ட்ஸ் தமிழ் வேர்ட்ஸுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு தமிழ் வேர்ட்ஸோட இங்கிலீஷ் வேர்ட் தெரிஞ்சாலே we can speak English easily. Okay. Now I'm going to sing one song, and the song is called Action Word Song. Because I'm a teacher for 1 to 9, especially in first standard, they won't mind anything. Yes, I promise you, they won't mind anything. Whether do you have a mustache, whether you don't have, whether you are looking broad or whether you are looking lean, they won't mind anything. Whether you are a Brock Lesnar, Undertaker, Roman Reigns or else Boogeyman, they won't mind anything. They just do whatever they want. So for them, I used to sing the song, and the song is someone is writing, someone is pinching, someone is punching, someone is sleeping, someone is lick, someone is thinking, someone is drawing, someone is scribbling, someone is digging, someone is kissing, someone is digging, someone is eating, someone is dreaming, while I am teaching, while I am teaching, while I am teaching. So this is the song is for first standard. Yes, of course, you may heard this song. Just sing that song, that's all. So end of the day, we have learned what is meant by verb. Verb is nothing but it indicates action. Action words are called verb. Read, write, push, pull, and everything. Okay, so try to learn more action words, not in Tamil. We already known in Tamil. தமிழில் தும்புறது இரும்புறது எல்லாமே தெரியும். அதுக்கான இங்கிலீஷ் வார்த்தையை தேடி கண்டுபிடிங்க. முதல்ல அதை தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ திஸ் கிளாஸ் வி ஹவ் லேர்ன் அபவுட் verb. So hope I will meet you in next video as soon as possible. Now I am going to close my shop in Tamil. கடையை மூடுறேன், காற்று வரட்டும். Bye.